For the assembly, I've drilled a hole in a piece of heavy bar the same size as the rivet. I'm going to drop that in, and the shoulders of the rivet will stop it from going through. I can add my handle material, I can add my arm, and then my washer, and then you're going to put whatever heat source you're going to use on that, and then you're going to brad that over. And I'd like the rivet to come to the top edge of your washer, and with the washer having that slight bevel on it, it's going to look like a great big rivet head.